I am Charles Hyatt, and I belong to a group commonly referred to as old folk. So I am here to talk folkery. And why not? I mean, the queen mother of our folklore is Miss Lou. All her life, she has been talking folkery. And she has been given the highest national honors for her folkery. There's the Jamaica folk singers, and they sing nothing but folkery. They've been all over the world entertaining and enlightening everyone at the highest level with our folkery. I mean, you could say that nowadays our national culture is folking. Many of us have received national honors for our folkery. I have been so honored with national honors, as the National Commercial Bank keeps reminding me. Each month they send me a statement reminding me that I am Charles Hyatt, OD. Because of the technological advancement, the world is becoming a global village, they say. Nations all over are able to impose their folkry on other nations at the flick of a switch. You don't even have to have electricity anymore to get information. All you need are a couple of energizing batteries and you can log on. From the southern Caribbean, you get calypso folkry. From Cuba, there is Latin folkry. North American folkry is thrust upon us, even in the fashion of clothing. As for Britain, I grew up in the folkry from that place. So you see, my friends, folkry is the order of the day.